because of how much flavour you get in the Korean noodles, what I'm doing, I'm putting in maybe half a litre of water when I boil them up. Then I'll add a little thing with maybe, you know, enough rice to double the amount of food. There's that much flavour in that liquid that this way I'm not wasting it. So that rice soaks up all that lovely flavour. Still needs about another 5 minutes to soak. See, if you have enough heat in there, the steam will just soak straight in and that'll be finished. So there's the end result. You get a really nice, it's a bit watery at the moment because I just plonked it straight into the water. But that will just stops it from congealing. And that way, a couple of burgers, some sausages, you get a really nice flavoured rice. Rather than, you just drink the juice, but it's such a strong flavour, it's a bit of a waste. Camping, yeah, because it superheats your body. But like this, yeah, that's a nice way to use that juice.